it's Mr. Blizzard here, aka Alan, and today I have a different kind of video. As you can tell by the title, I actually won a Chemical Guys giveaway on Instagram. Proof of the picture will be either on this side or this side, wherever I decide to put it. So yeah, we're just gonna unbox it today. So yeah, right here it is. They do. If you guys don't, you guys obviously know who Chemical Guys is. They do like giveaways all the time, and I haven't even opened this yet. Obviously, I kind of know what I got by the picture that you see right there, but I haven't actually opened it yet. So this is like a first look. Again, thanks for Chemical Guys for picking me, I guess, for the winner. They actually do a lot of giveaways, and I've like been doing it for like a month now. So, yes, I'm not big at cleaning my car because I'm not good at it, but I want to be good at it. So, oh wow, let's see what we got here. We got the Waffle Weave glass and window microfiber. All right, I'll take it. What's this? What's this? A Monster Fluff plush microfiber applicator. To be fair, I probably don't even know how to use half the stuff that's in this. So, oh, we got the wash mitten. Ooh, what's this? The extra thick microfiber towels. And this is all Chemical Guys, obviously. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Look at this. And it's I won it all free. So that's wow. That's a lot of stuff. Oh, what's this? What's this? The little red rocket. Little red rocket. I get it. What is this? Oh, it's a wheel cleaner. I actually needed a nice wheel cleaner. So what's this? And one of them like dressing pads, I think. Like I said, mind me because I don't know a lot about detailing. I love detailing my car, but I just do a terrible job at it. I have no idea what I'm doing half the time. But hey, I do it. And I'm also in my house. Well, not my house, my parents' house. So if you hear background noise, that's why. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Ooh. We got Glassworks Ultimate Glaze. Ooh. Yeah, what is this? For like Windows? Yeah, it's for Windows, I think. I don't know. Oh, it smells good. Oh, hold up. I gotta do something here. Oh, we gotta get put it on the old Snapchat here real quick. Oh, one second. Oh, I'm almost there. Hold on. Okay. Sorry about that. Anyways, we gotta get everything on Snapchat. We went over the detailing, the wheel thing. I feel stupid. Micro swirls. Oh, it's for swirls like in the paint. See, we're learning. We got some butter wax. I think I actually have some of this already, but like in the spray form. What's this? Ooh, this is like it's an air freshener. Smell of success. I don't know about that one. It smells like my grandma's perfume. Oh, and got the hand sanitizer because, COVID. What's this one? Fresh cherry. I'm going to like this one. Are you ready? Oh, I'm dumping this in my car. I'm dumping this in my car. I got a lot of air fresheners. Pina colada, baby? Come on. Oh. Wow, that's okay. Yeah, I like these two. So buy these two. So I know this is a random video. I just wanted to make a video on it. Streak-free window glass cleaner. Let's go, baby. What else we got here? We got some more hand sanitizer that I'm never going to use, but we got some iron removal. Oh, this is like good for wheels and stuff, ain't it? Oh, yeah. Yes, baby. Yes. Come on now. And we got the Mr. Pink Sudsies. Oh, yeah, and I forgot. I did get a foam can, so that's pretty lit. Is it? Oh, Yeah, see. Yeah, I got a foam can, so that's pretty awesome. This is actually pretty sick. I don't know how much this stuff, like, I mean, I do know how much it runs, but I don't know about, like, all together. But for free, I'm going to take it. We got Hypercoat Protective Dressing, UV blockers. Yeah. We got some. Oh, no, I don't have the butter wax. I had the spray wax, the banana. Excuse me, I have some of that. Oh, I've been wanting one of these so long. Just little slowers and swishies. Keep that nice up there and clean. And I got a cool little keychain. Oh, and I got a bucket. I got a bucket. With a grit guard. I think it's what they're called. Oh, I got stickers. I got stickers. Yes, baby. Yes, got the stickers. That's it. Oh, yes, a tire scrubber. Get them all nice and, I think that's what it's for, right? Yeah, wheel and tire cleaner. Yes, baby, yes. So yeah, this is pretty freaking sweet, if I may do say so myself. So Chemical guys, thanks again. Appreciate it. Never thought I would actually win one of the giveaways, and I did. I actually won a pretty nice giveaway at that. So yeah, again, thanks. So random video, just thought I'd make it. So new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and until then, we'll see you in the next one. Later.